The farmer drank all the sugarcane juice, but he was still hungry. Angry and upset, he shouted at a small pigeon sitting nearby. The poor pigeon got scared and quickly planted an apple seed in the ground. It watered the seed again and again until a big apple tree grew. When the tree was full of apples, the pigeon picked them carefully, loaded them into a tractor, and drove them to the farmer. The farmer happily ate the apples and felt satisfied. But the little pigeon stood quietly in the corner, crying. And don't forget to like and subscribe.